Hi, I'm Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor, here to give you your August 2021 Denver real estate market update. As always, I want to remind you we will be looking at July numbers since I won't have August numbers until September. Let's get going. Okay, I'm going to start out with inventory because that's what I've been starting out with for over a year now because that is the story, right? For the longest time, months and months, we have had such tight inventory, making it hard on home buyers. But over the last couple of months, we've seen some relief, so that's some good news for you home buyers. This month, or I should say at the end of July, we had 4,056 homes on the market, and that was up 29.92% from June. Still down 37.11% from July of 2020, but let's talk about this trend that we're seeing. So it seemed like every single month I was at least since the beginning of the year, I was telling you that, once again, lowest inventory in history. It just seemed to go down and down and down. And if you were shopping for a home out there, you know what that felt like. Not a lot of homes to choose from, multiple offers on every home. But finally, a couple months ago, we saw some relief. So to give you a good picture of that, at the end of May, we had about 2,000 homes on the market. Then last month at the end of June, or my report last month, at the end of June, I reported we were up to right around 3,000. We had gone up by around 50% from the month prior. And then this month, we're up to around 4,056. So right around 4,000. It seems to have grown by 1,000 for the last couple months there. So that is just great news. We've needed it. Now, home sellers, if you're planning to sell a home, don't freak out. Even though we have 4,056 homes on the market, and that has gone up, doubled in the last couple months, we still only have 3 weeks worth of inventory. So that we are still in a strong seller's market. You're still holding the cards. Anything under 5 months of inventory is considered a seller's market. So you can see with just 3 weeks, you are good. But home buyers, just a little bit of relief for you. Not so many crazy multiple offers. You're able to get in to see the homes you like. Maybe have a little bit more choices. Let's see what contributes to that 4,056 homes by looking at the new listings we had last month and the homes that went under contract. New listings, we had 7,150 homes come on the market in the month of July, and 6,061 homes go under contract. So once again, we see that we had more listings come on than we had go under contract, and for the longest time, we weren't seeing that either. The homes going under contract was outnumbering the listings, making that inventory even tighter. So now with some more new listings, less going under contract, we're having our inventory go up. Average sales price, same thing. It seemed like every single month I was telling you the average sales price is going up. It's going up. It's going up. Last month it did go down, and it did go down again this month. Now, before you start to worry, are we going through a market crash? Are the home prices falling? This is normal. So typically every year we have our high average sales price in the month of May. And then June, July, August, we have the summer cooling. So we do see normally in a normal year that the home prices do drop by a few percent. And usually it is like 2-3% near the end of summer. So average sales price came in at the end of July at $624,903. That was down 2.43% from the month of June and up 16.4% from July of 2020. So also, it seemed that our year-over-year increase in average sales price had been up above 20%. Right now we're looking at 16.4, which is still really high, historically very, very high, and a little bit more healthy than having over 20% year-over-year increases. We can't keep going at that rate or nobody's going to be able to afford to buy a house. But yeah, that 2.43% that it dropped from June to July, very normal for this time of year. I would expect to continue to see some decreases through the end of the year, potentially with a bump in October. Sometimes there's like an October bump. It seems to come along every year, and we may see that again this year, but to see some light decreases through the end of the year, very, very normal. All right, that average sales price that I gave you, that was for attached homes and detached homes. So I'm going to just break that down just a little bit for you. The average price for a single family detached home came in at $699,795. That number, it was up above 700 for the last few months, right around 725 or so. So we're dipping right back below that $700,000 mark for a single family detached home. The average sales price for an attached home, condos and townhomes, came in at $442,949. Days on the market, median days on the market is sitting right at 4. I swear that hasn't changed in months. So even though we have this increase in inventory, like I said, sellers, don't start freaking out. Days on the market, median days on the market is still sitting at 4 days. So what does that tell you? Homes are selling quick, typically listed before the weekend, and at the end of the weekend going under contract. That's the story. But be sure, mindful, if you're selling your house, price it right, because you do still see, even through this whole entire year with all the crazy buying frenzy of homes, you did occasionally see homes that did sit on the market. And why would that be? Overpriced. So if your home is not moving, if it's not selling in this market, take a good look at your home price. All right, that's all I have for you for this August. Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor, giving you your August 2021 Denver real estate market update. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in the near future, be sure to give me a call. Thanks for joining me. Oh, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates or home tours around the Denver area. Have a wonderful day.